If you can flip a house, you are already 70% on your way to becoming a ground up developer. My name's David. I've been in the real estate space for 20 years. Last year I did over 14 million in fix and flip. In the 4 years prior, I did over $30 million in ground up development. And this video is about the basic step-by-step process that you will need to take to transition from where you're at in fix and flip to move into new construction development. I'm talking legacy projects, baby. Step one, you're gonna need to adjust your mindset. Flipping is really fast cash. I know a lot of guys in the industry, they like the dopamine hits, right? You're 6 months and you make 60 grand over here. 4 months and you might make a $20,000 hit on a wholesale deal. So the first thing you gotta do is adjust your mindset and realize that if you wanna get into legacy projects, then the barrier for entry is going to be higher, right? It's harder, therefore it's going to be a higher cost. It's really not a higher cost, it's just a longer time frame. So adjust your mindset from quick dopamine hits to, hey, if I stick this out and I follow the process, sooner or later, I'm gonna have a project that I can really be proud of, and instead of making 60 grand, I'm gonna make multiple 6 and 7 figures. Because developers are thinking in terms of vision and value creation, whereas fix and flippers get stuck in this habit of dopamine hits. I'm having a lot of fun making these videos. It's just, as far as I see it, it's a conversation that I'm having with you guys. If there's specific questions around ground up development that you guys have, put them in the comments and I will do my best to address them. So how do you go from where you're at to where you want to be? Here's a basic framework for you. Number one is going to be identify the opportunity. So find what it is that you want to get into. Is it a raw piece of land? Is it an apartment redevelopment? Are you building a spec house? Are you building 50 spec houses? Learn to spot the land value and then figure out how to create the pro formas around the land and work with engineers to do concepts and figure out what your density potential is. Number two is going to be getting your team together. I have another video on this channel, which I will link at the end of this video, that talks about the fundamental people you need to be, the fundamental people that you're going to need to have on your team. Architect, engineer, builder, or general contractor, broker, possibly a interior design person. Number three is you're going to want to design your project for profit. If you're going to invest 2 years of your life into something, you want it to either make a whole bunch of money or have lasting long-term value. So if it's an acre of land and you can fit 4 houses on it, then you're going to be much better off long-term because your profitability is going to be better. And a lot of that comes down to working with the right team, because the team will help you determine what it is that you can do on the land that you have under contract. Keep in mind, guys, none of this is rocket science. If you're doing fix and flip, you know timelines, you know how to deal with contractors, you know how to raise money, you know how to market, you know how to deal with agents. It all translates over. It's just one is low margins, high effort, and the other one is high margins, low effort. Yes, your time frames are longer, but that doesn't mean it's more work. It just means longer time frames. So number four is going to be securing financing. Again, if you're a fix and flipper, you're probably dealing with private money or hard money. Your new construction deal is going to have a much higher chance of getting approved because banks love multifamily and banks will do construction loans if it's new construction. They do not like rehab projects. Number five is going to be execute and exit. So you're going to manage your timelines the same way you'd manage your timelines if you have a small fix and flip. You're going to manage your contractors, you're going to control your cost, and you're going to structure the payday so that when you get to the end, when you exit that project, you're taking maximum profitability. And I got to tell you guys, seeing something that you built from the ground, something that existed as a field or was on paper, it is the best feeling in the world. I remember the first time that I walked on a piece of property that I bought that had been just an empty field, and we subdivided into 6 lots, built 6 homes on it. And the feeling that I got when that was done, this was maybe my second project, there's nothing like that, because you see with your own eyes, your vision come to life, where it existed up here and then on paper, and before you know it, it exists in reality. And then you make a whole bunch of money too. If you enjoyed this, please subscribe, like the video, comment your questions. Thank you for watching.